The SABRENT Premium Micro USB cable is one of the most durable on the market. The cable can withstand over 10,000 insert and extractions. It is ideal for smartphone, tablets, cameras, car, home. This can be the perfect travel companion, taking up little to no space. Features: Android smartphones, Samsung, HTC, Motorola, Nexus, Nokia, LG, HP, Sony, Blackberry and many more. E-readers, cameras, MP3 players, hard drives, portable chargers, handheld game consoles. Compatibility. System requirements: Android, Windows XP or above, Linux 2, 4 or above, Mac OS 8, 6 or above. What's in the box? SABRENT Micro USB cable, Android charger cable, 6-pack, 3FT. User manual. Top reviews from the United States. Good cables at a great price. I use these cables for charging phones and power banks. They change quickly and are inexpensive. Good to keep as spares for friends and family who misplace their cables.